So I've had my Boom Vader BD 125 for a few weeks now, and one thing I haven't done yet is replace this janky shifter. I mean, look at all this linkage in here. Like, this is far more than necessary. And I don't know about you guys, but I got big feet. You know what they say about big feet? Big boots. So as you can imagine, it's a kind of tricky getting under this thing sometimes. Like, I really gotta work for it. And that's why today we're swapping out the factory shifter with this aftermarket pit bike one. Now this is for like a CRF 110, I believe. Instead of having all this extra nonsense, it's gonna connect right, it's just gonna sit probably about like that. And I'll put a link to this guy down in the description below. And let's go ahead and swap this out. Now it's pretty easy to do. Right here at the engine, there's an 8mm bolt. We're gonna go ahead and pop that guy out. Yep, that loosens up our shift linkage. And on the back side where the shifter connects, there's a snap ring. We're gonna try to get in there with these snap ring pliers. You could possibly use a flathead screwdriver for this, but then you risk that clip flying away, disappearing, and you'll never see it again. You know, kind of like my dad. And after those are loose, that should just slide off like so. Slide this off the front. Don't shake your bike and knock it over. If you need to loosen this up, that's the wrong way. Loosen that up just a little bit more. You might need to get a flathead screwdriver and pry that open in case it wants to be a butt head like it's doing. Pull it all the way out. It's like, come on, why is this thing like being a pain in the butt? Now there. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. But you wiggle it enough. Eventually she comes out. What a pain in the butt. So I ended up taking the whole bolt out because I told you guys wrong. There's actually a groove on this thing that the bolt sits in to kind of prevent it from pulling out. So you got to take the whole thing out, then it should just slide off. We're going to take our aftermarket shifter, pull the bolt out. This guy is going to be a 5mm Allen. We'll slip that on like so. It's probably about where I want it. I got it parallel with my foot peg. Take our Allen bolt. Probably put some Loctite on this if you want. I figure if nothing else, I can come back and add a little bit later. This thing's super duper easy to get to. Make sure she's in that groove. She is in that groove. Tighten this bolt down. So there it is, said and done. This is probably one of the first mods I would do on this bike. Now the only thing I have to do now is take it for a test ride and see if it actually made a difference. And another highly recommended mod starting out is swapping this sprocket out for a 17 tooth or a 16 tooth if you want a little more torque, a little less top end. And you can see me fumble through that video here. And as always, y'all be good. See you.